Hello, Dark Cauldron here. In the previous video, we talked about Switzerland and their choice for Eurovision 2025. And in this video, it's a bit hot in here. I love this corset, but in the same time, it's a bit, difficult to sit in it. So in this video, we're going to check Ukraine. Ukraine. Oh. A bird of prey. Okay, based on this thumbnail and the name of the song itself, I don't want to make any assumption or conclusion. Let's just listen and see. Play.
Зайдеш до мене, моя пташка, крилами пісня злітає важка, серденько, серце кохане, не турбуйся, доля довірила світ останній без нас. Я світло шукаю, гори зверну. And I called you fly, but I'm begging you, please just leave. Share my heart with someone who cares of me, my little bird of prey. Вертайся додому, рідна стежка, спів перелітних пташок народить весну. Fly, but I'm begging you, just get off me, my little bird. Fly like a bird. Where do you go? I'm begging you, please just leave. Share my heart with someone who flies. But I'm begging you, please just leave. Share my heart with someone who cares of me, my little bird of
Yeah, well, I don't know what to think about it. The song itself is kind of a nice. I just don't feel it. Doesn't have any particular vibe. It's a good song. He's a good singer. Has a nice voice. It definitely has like a nice color of a voice. It's enjoyable, but it's not like I would listen to this every day. Is this a composition that could win Eurovision 2025? No, definitely not. We have others who are unbelievably good. Nothing is happening. Song itself, not too bad. Vibe, a partial vibe. I hope they don't have any issues or stuff like that, like their delegation at Eurovision Song Contest competition. I hope everything goes like, well, that's about it. They already won a couple of years back, so it's not gonna happen again. That's about it. My reaction was, I can't even explain how my reaction was. What sort of emotion I just gave to you. I don't know. You decide. We live in 2025. Things are not getting solved. That's about it. It's going to be like a short reaction. I'm not going to go any deeper and go into the details. I don't feel the song. I don't kind of like it, and not good enough in my opinion. Humble opinion. Wish them all the best. I hope I'll see you guys in the next video. Which country we will check, I have no idea. I will let you know. Bye.